What if you could create hundreds of SVG, PNG, DXF, and EPS digital products for Etsy in just a few minutes? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to generate digital files in bulk using AI, making it much easier to build Etsy bundles and scale your digital product business. Let's get started. Step 1. Find product ideas on Etsy. The first thing you need is an idea. Go to Etsy and search for a niche such as black and white cartoon clip art. Open any product listing that you like and take a screenshot of the product images. Now upload that screenshot to ChatGPT and use this prompt. I want to make the same PNG without text on the image. Give me prompts to create similar designs for different animals. ChatGPT will generate detailed prompts for you. You can also ask, give me all prompts in one place so I can easily copy them. This will save a lot of time when creating designs in bulk. Step 2. Create a new project in Greenbeast. Now it's time to generate the files. Open Greenbeast and create a new project. Give your project any name you want. Once the project is created, paste all the prompts into the prompt input box. I'm only adding a few prompts for this demonstration, but you can paste dozens or even hundreds of prompts at once. Step 3. Add prompts to the queue. After adding your prompts, click the Add to Queue button. Next, choose any AI image model you want to use for generating your designs. Different models may produce slightly different results, so feel free to experiment and find the one that works best for your niche. Step 4. Select output formats. Now choose the output formats you want to generate. Greenbeast can automatically create multiple formats including PNG, SVG, DXF EPS. Simply select all the formats you need for your Etsy bundle. Step 5. Generate the designs. Everything is ready. Click the Start button. The software will begin generating all your images automatically. Depending on the number of prompts, this may take a few minutes. Step 6. Review and regenerate images. Once the generation process is complete, you'll see all the created designs in the preview section. You can preview every design, regenerate any image you don't like, edit the prompt and regenerate for better results. This gives you full control over the final output quality. For this demo, all of the images look great, so I'm going to continue. Step 7. Export your bundle, and that's it. Your complete bundle is now ready. Let's open the generated files and check the results. As you can see, all the PNG, SVG, DXF, and EPS files have been generated successfully and are ready to upload to Etsy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.